see what Ken did to his. That's not a team fight now. Whatever button it is. You know, yeah, that was it. You go down to Sheldon's and you buy one of these. And then bring a tote down. Get one of these and some mufflers. Also, another thing you can do, they sell yeah, but that plug. Yeah, but you take the plug, put a plug in here, put a piece of rubber tubing on there about that long. But to make it do it. Not really. That's a pass for it. Yeah, well, when the compression gets low, you just tighten it up. I got some cases. I got some front cases. I got some back cases. I got a new sleeve and a new piston. I guess so. It's like a ruptured walrus. I took on that little flying window I got. I took the case out and I see, look. Tires on the rudder. FDR on the rudder. Got some real. I got this new gasket. everything's level without it. Everything else is down. Well, that's moving, but have you been down by the National Network there? Yeah, I guess a lighter color.
Mark, are you nervous?
Of course, Wyatt. I'm not nervous. Why would I be nervous?
Don't forget the seagull. Boy, set him flying. Oh, jeez. Don't let the ecologists see that.
Watch the plane, Mom.
Mark, my arms are getting tired of holding the camera up, so I'm getting the control work.
I can't. I realize.
Is that like milk? Down?
I'll get you carried away here.
Yeah, me too.
That's the pattern you can fly right there. Bend to the left. Up down.
I like it to fly a lot better.
Can you put the 46 pin back?
This is 24 here.
You're 52.
I fly out
What number are you looking for? 46.
Yeah, it's just a standard left-hand pattern is what you need to get. Get down, general, smooth, consistent. Your land is going to be a left-hand pattern.
I've landed this before. I've never landed it without hitting the engine.
Got what?
I don't know.
That's